In the last session, I explained the introduction. In this session, I will be explaining classification of unmanned aerial vehicle based on range and weight. Based on range, unmanned aerial vehicles are classified into 7 types. They are high altitude long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle, medium altitude long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle, medium range or tactical unmanned aerial vehicle, close range unmanned aerial vehicle, mini unmanned aerial vehicle, micro unmanned aerial vehicle, and lastly we have nano unmanned aerial vehicle. Next, one by one, I'll be explaining all these 7 types of unmanned aerial vehicles. First, we have high altitude long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle. Example for this type of unmanned aerial vehicle is RQ-4 Global Hawk. Altitude range of high altitude long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle is 15,000 meters and endurance is 24 plus hours. High altitude long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle is capable to carry out long range investigation and surveillance. This type of unmanned aerial vehicle is armed and operated by air forces. Predator B drone is an example for medium altitude long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle. Altitude range of this unmanned aerial vehicle is 5,000 meters to 15,000 meters and its endurance is 24 hours. These drones are also used for long range investigation, surveillance and operated by air forces at short ranges in excess of 5 kilometers. These are operated by land and naval forces. Gorlice unmanned aerial vehicle is an example for tactical unmanned aerial vehicle. The altitude range of tactical unmanned aerial vehicle lies between 100 km to 300 km. Tactical unmanned aerial vehicles are smaller and operated with simpler systems compared to high altitude long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle or medium altitude long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle. Tactical unmanned aerial vehicles are operated by land and naval forces. RQ-11B Raven and RQ-14 Dragon Eye are the examples for close-range unmanned aerial vehicle. Close-range unmanned aerial vehicle operates at a range up to 100 km. These unmanned aerial vehicles are used by mobile army battle groups for other military or naval operations and for diverse civilian purposes. Close-range unmanned aerial vehicles are also used for roles such as recognition, target designation, national broadcasting company monitoring, airfield security, ship-to-shore surveillance, power line inspection, crop spraying, and target monitoring, etc. Bayraktar is an example for mini unmanned aerial vehicle. The weight of mini unmanned aerial vehicle is below 20 kg, but it is not as small as micro unmanned aerial vehicle. Mini unmanned aerial vehicle can be launched by hand and operated at a range up to 30 km. Mini unmanned aerial vehicles are used by mobile battle groups and for civilian purposes. Ishin E61HW is an example for micro unmanned aerial vehicle. Micro unmanned aerial vehicle has a wingspan not greater than 150 mm and can be launched by hand. Micro unmanned aerial vehicles are required for operations in urban areas, especially within buildings. Micro unmanned aerial vehicles are required to fly slowly, to hover and to perch. To perch means micro unmanned aerial vehicles must be able to stop and to sit on wall. Winged version of micro unmanned aerial vehicles have very low wing loading, which make them unsafe to operate at the atmospheric turbulence. Cyma X-20 Nano quadcopter is an example for nano unmanned. Cyma X-20 Nano quadcopter has length and breadth of 10.5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter height, and its weight is just 22 grams. Nano unmanned aerial vehicles are used for ultra short range surveillance. As per Drone Rules 2021 published by the Ministry of Civil Aviation, unmanned aerial vehicles are classified based on weight including payload into 5 types. They are nano unmanned aerial vehicle weighing less than or equal to 250 grams, micro unmanned aerial vehicle weighing more than 250 grams but less than or equal to 2 kg, small unmanned aerial vehicle weighing more than 2 kg but less than or equal to 25 kg, medium unmanned aerial vehicle weighing more than 25 kg but less than or equal to 150 kg. Lastly, large unmanned aerial vehicle weighing more than 150 kg. With this, I will end up this session here. In the next session, I'll be explaining the functional structure of unmanned aerial vehicle. Thank you.